Data Republic is a company that helps organisations make better use of data to drive better outcomes for their customers. We enable companies to share data with each other. That helps them to make better decisions. It helps governments to allocate resources better. And it helps charities and other not-for-profits really help people in a much more meaningful way. The big challenge we had as a startup was we were operating in a space that wasn't typical startup territory. We were working with some of the biggest companies in Australia and asking them to buy into our vision. That also meant we had to do a lot of groundwork first before we could even begin trading. So we worked with Allens, who helped us set up our business model and a lot of our legal framework that really gave the companies we were working with the confidence to invest with us and to join our journey. I think the best piece of advice we could give from our journey to new startups is to surround yourselves with the experts that you need. The idea at the start is to be small and lean and not to bring in people to do everything. I think having expert advice from people really in the know is a crucial part of getting moving quickly. You can't always get the best advice in-house, but you can certainly outsource it, and that's what we've been able to do. It's interesting thinking about the next 20 or 30 years in our industry. I've been in data for 20 years in all sorts of functions. And really the use of data hasn't changed that much in the last 40 or 50 years. It's the same practices now, even though computers are faster and there's a lot more data. I think the big change coming over the next 20 to 30 years is increased velocity and liquidity in data. And that's going to make a lot of changes in the way the economy works. Companies and charities and governments are going to be a lot more effective in how they allocate resources. I think we'll start to see that through in terms of the way we live our lives as well.